Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be Mimi. So once again, here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this, I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is very easy to draw. The only tricky thing is the glasses. And so we're gonna start out with the overall head shape, which is gonna be one big circle. And this is probably gonna be the hardest part, is to draw a nice circle. So you can use any kind of drawing aid to help you. Okay, so that's the shape of the head, and then from this circle, just come to right in the center of the circle. You can make a little dot first, and then I'm gonna draw another circle inside using this as the very top of the circle. So now to finish up the snout area with the nose, so right in the middle of this circle, you can make a little point. And this point right here will be the bottom of the egg shape. Okay, so that's gonna be the nose, and then for the nostrils, just come out to the side right here on both sides. Just draw 2 little egg shapes or circles. Okay, and then for the whiskers, we'll just keep it simple. So right in the center of this, in the middle, just draw 2 lines first, and then now just draw 1 more, top and bottom, just kind of pointing toward the center here. Okay, so that's the nose, and then now for eyes. So right at an angle right here, just gonna draw a circle. So with whatever space you have in here, just draw a circle. And let me shade it in real quick. I'm gonna add in, just draw like a little circle inside, and then I'll just shade it in, or shade around it. Okay, so now for the tricky part, it's gonna be the glasses. So right in the middle right here, just come up. Right about here, I'm gonna add one little line first. One line across, and then just kind of come down. I know it looks really strange right now. So this is gonna be the middle. So starting here, I'm just gonna curve right over the eye, all the way out here. And once you reach out here, just come down slightly. That's gonna be the edge of the glasses. And then now whatever space you have here, just come down right below the eye and just connect to that. And that'll give us the glass frame. Alright, so that's the tricky glasses, and hopefully it wasn't too bad. And then now to finish up the head, we're gonna come up and draw in the ears. So just come right here in the middle of the eye, just come up. From this point here, just kind of curve down. So same thing here, right in the middle of the eye, just go up. Come back down. And then now for our cheeks, really simple, just right on the side right here. Just draw two egg shapes. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's move on to the body. So right around right here, I'm gonna add two little dots. That's gonna be where the dress gonna begin. So from here, I'm just gonna curve down. So just come down and then just kind of flare out on the bottom. And then to finish off the dress, just come to the center. I'm just gonna add a little curve. And then now whatever space you have here, just kind of connect it with, I'll just draw in like a smooth curve. Just kind of give it some flow. Okay, and then let's add in some lines for the folds. Okay, so let's come down and go ahead and finish up the legs since it's really simple. So right in the middle right here, I'll just draw two lines. That's gonna be the inside of the boot. Come back out here, come down and stop a little bit short. I'm gonna add a little bump. So one little curve and then just close this off. Okay, so come down, add a little bump, and then just close this off. Okay, so let's come back up here and let's draw in this arm first because this one's gonna be holding the pickaxe. So right here, here's the armpit. Come back to the shoulder, one big curve. And then for the rest of the arm, just a really long bracket. So come down right around here. And then for a hand right here, it's one little hook. The back of the hand right here, just gonna curve all the way around. And then just kind of loop it back up. We'll keep that simple. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. So again, here's the armpit, shoulder, come down. I'll extend this a little bit. And then now for the lower arm, or the rest of the arm. Okay, and then now for our hand right here, it's gonna be gripping the pickaxe. So start right here. Let's add one little hook. And then from here, come over here, just kind of draw a little egg shape and just kind of connect it to this. Okay, and then whatever space you have here, just close off. That's gonna give us the palm. Okay, so now we can draw in the pickaxe. So let's just go ahead and start up here. Just draw one line first and then just draw another one the same. It's gonna be the handle. And we can extend this down here, so we'll finish off the handle. Alright, to finish off the top right here, from this corner, we'll just flare out. And then we're gonna try to keep it kind of perpendicular to this line right here. So we draw 2 curves. Just go all the way out, and then once you have this, just connect these ends with one big curve. And that is it for this Mimi. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.